What's up with you niggas, man? Quick little trade recap. We ended the week off. So this is what I'm gonna say, guys. Oh, see y'all niggas where I'm at, man. I can't even tell y'all niggas where I'm at right now. But just know. But yeah, so quick trade recap. But before we do that, let me summarize, guys. We did not hit our 3K on the week like I wanted to. But the issue with that, right, is it messed up my psychology because I'm like, I need 3K, I need 3K, I need 3K. So we're gonna take another week, and I'm likely gonna go ahead and get the funded because regardless, my psychology held me back a little bit, but my technicals were good. My technicals were very good. This is a winning trade. We're about to recap, guys. I'm very proud of my technicals and my strategy. I'm very proud of my execution. Just the only issue is my psychology because I put a time limit on myself. So this week we're not gonna put a time limit on ourselves, guys. But this video will be the last video in the road to funded because I'm gonna go ahead and get the funded. But then I could probably do a the freak is that Goose doing, bro? What the? That nigga was like upside down. I didn't even know niggas could do that. But so basically, guys, we can, yeah, we're gonna do a passing funded series. So because I'm doing some, like, I got some dirt on my laptop. I'm doing good, man. I'm actually very proud of my technicals. I'm very proud of my execution. I actually did think I did very good. My only issue is my psychology because I put a time limit on myself. I don't need to put a time limit on myself. My goal should just be make good trades, take A+ setups, man. That's it, guys. So I'm gonna recap this trade. So boom, this is the trade we took, guys. I had a bearish bias on the day, even though the day was green, because let me take a look at this. It is so bright out here, bro. Like, it is so absolutely difficult to see. So bear with me, man. Bear with me. It was one of these days. And I saw that I had a bearish bias. And I was like, man, we're like breaking structure to the upside. So we're probably going to go down and take some liquidity before we even head to the upside. So that's really what I went with. I went to, you got to go to the 1 hour. I marked my draws on liquidity. I like to actually, what the freak is wrong with my stuff? My chart's a mess, guys. But I like to mark my draws on liquidity on the 4 hour and then the 1 hour. So we're just gonna skip straight to the 1 hour. But you see the draws that I marked, higher highs, higher lows, just order blocks, all that stuff. Anything I had to really think about and all that. I marked my day high and low for the time and all that type of stuff. Then I came to the 15 minute. And when I came to the 15 minute, I marked order blocks, fair value gaps. So we had this order block from earlier. We had this session low. I'm pretty sure this was London because we traded the New York Open. This trade got filled maybe about 9 something. Yo, look at Trina over there walking, bro. Hold on. But yeah. Anyways, I just want to get this trade recap out for you guys, man. That's what it's about, bro. So I think yeah, at this time I saw the order block down here and all that, draws and liquidity. Um, I was like, before we go up, we have to go down, cause So I was looking at it, man. Let me try to remember, cause this was a while back. Okay, so I saw that we were in a brief, very, very brief bearish market structure because of this, you know what I'm saying? So I'm like, okay, I know we're probably gonna break structure to the upside because on the higher time frames we're heading to the upside, but on the lower time frames we're breaking structure. So I'm like, okay, we need to take liquidity to the downside before we head to the upside. But because of that, because my highest time frames were saying we were bullish, I was very, very conservative with my TP. Very conservative. I only had like one TP, man. And so I was like, okay, bet. So my entry, the wasp was trying to get you. I'm sorry. You need help getting up? Okay, be careful. Okay, be careful. So I came down, and like I said, guys, it's a lower freaking highs, bro.
We had some craziness going down here, bro. I marked my sessions and all that type of stuff, but we broke all the way down. I was like, what the freak is going on in the market? Then we came all the way up. We probably had freaking, yeah, order block right here. So let me mark that. This was a couple days ago. I can't even lie. Freaking order block. We came up, tapped the order block, made a little order block here. And then as we started to displace down, you saw I got my entry and I put my stop loss kind of towards where market would, lose its structure to the downside. And I put my TP down here where just before it took, liquidity and all that type of stuff. Really just close to the session. I'm pretty sure this was London session. Yeah, this was London session. No, this was the London session low. So I put my TP down there at the London session low, guys. And that's really it. It was really a simple trade. And as you see, after it took my TP, we consolidated for a little bit, and then we immediately went up to the upside, bro. And it just broke structure to the upside. So like I was saying, guys, you need to really pay attention to your higher time biases. And you really shouldn't trade against the bias of the day. But I mean, I'm at the point to where if I see we're breaking structure to the upside, I kind of know where I can put my TP. I know where my stop loss needs to be. You need to, in situations like this, you need to actually respect your stop losses. It's prices. Don't think price is gonna go back down if you're in a short. Don't think price is gonna come back down if it's going up. Respect your stop loss. You're gonna get freaking liquidated, bro. You're gonna lose your account. But that was pretty much it, bro. Like, oh, this was a freaking fair value gap. I'm bugging out. We came up, so we had a fair value gap and an order block. We just went crazy all the way through that and came all the way back up. And then after we touched the fair value gap, rejected off the fair value gap, and then order block, and yeah, I low key this trade recap was buns, bro. I I'm busy, bro. I'm doing junk, but I just wanted to get this video out for y'all niggas, man. So you'll probably get that today. But yeah, just for a quick summary, man.
Like I said, I didn't get the 3K. I did not make 3,000. Oh, that trade right there was $1,000 trade too. Well, didn't do 3,000 this week. So I mean, I would be frustrated with that, but the only reason I didn't was because I tried to rush myself. So the goal next week, get this funded and just pass the account, man. I'm not gonna give myself a week. I'm not gonna give myself some amount of days. It's gonna take A plus setups. And I post my setups and all that type of stuff in the Discord too. I'll put that link in the description as well. I got a community in there that I'm growing and all that type of stuff. So I'll let y'all know what's up, man. I'll let y'all know what's up. I'm gonna catch y'all though.